In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group layers in Adobe Photoshop, a fundamental skill that can greatly streamline your workflow. Whether you're working on a complex project with numerous layers or just trying to stay organized, mastering this technique will save you time and effort. Let's dive in and make your Photoshop experience more efficient. First, let's start with adding your images to the Photoshop workspace. Open the application and import your images. You can do this by going to File, located at the top left corner, selecting Open, and then choosing the images you wish to work with from your computer. This step sets your foundation, and once all images are imported, they will appear as individual layers on the right side of your screen in the Layers panel. Next, to keep things neat and manageable, you'll want to select all the layers you're planning to group. Here's how you can do it. Click on the topmost layer you want to include in the group, then hold down the Shift key and click on the last layer in the sequence. This will select all layers in that range. Alternatively, if your layers are not consecutive, hold down the Control key on a PC or the Command key on a Mac and click on each layer individually. Selecting multiple layers is crucial as it ensures that everything you want in your group is accounted for, making your workspace organized and simple to navigate. With your desired layers selected, the next step is to group them together. There are a couple of ways to do this. One way is to right-click on any one of the selected layers to open a context menu. From there, locate and select the Group Layers option. This action will bundle those layers into a single collapsible group, tidying up your Layers panel dramatically. An even quicker method is using the keyboard shortcut. Simply press Ctrl+G on a PC or Command+G on a Mac. Whichever method you choose, you'll notice your selected layers now reside neatly within a group, indicating successful completion of this process. And there you have it. Grouping layers is as simple as that. By doing so, you create a clearer and more efficient workspace, where locating and editing elements becomes significantly easier. This functionality is especially beneficial in large projects with countless layers, as it ensures that your workflow remains seamless and organized. I hope this tutorial helps enhance your Photoshop skills and makes your creative process even more enjoyable. Feel free to rewatch any sections if you need a bit more guidance, and don't hesitate to experiment with more features in Photoshop to keep discovering its potential. Happy designing, and see you in the next tutorial, where we'll continue to explore new ways to elevate your Photoshop expertise.